charts, paradise, triangle, money. You may associate a different set of words with Bermuda, but I guarantee that when you think of Bermuda, you don't think about wrongful convictions. But today, I want to tell you a story about a wrongful conviction that happened in Bermuda. And without exaggeration, it's one of the most important, most revealing, most eye-opening cases of wrongful convictions in the Caribbean today. In a nutshell, a young man was convicted of a horrible crime based on what seemed to be the surest possible evidence. To many looking on, the case against him seemed airtight. He was convicted, he was sent away for life, and it seemed like he would spend the rest of his life in prison. Until suddenly, almost overnight, everything changed, and the whole case against him collapsed. And it was like the government couldn't get him out of the prison fast enough. But there's more to the story. Because of what they discovered in his case, prosecution in Bermuda had to review more than 400 cases. And up to this summer, a full year later, Bermuda is still grappling with the effects of what they discovered in that case. This is the story of Julian Washington.